our online education platform by our Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Education Department. So I am Ganesh Sudham Ghule from New Mai Municipal Upper Primary School. Our administrative officer is um Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam. Our nodal officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade sir. Nodal HM, Mrs. Pushpam Mary Paul Madam. Assistant Nodal HM is Manpreet Anand Madam. Our CNO is Ratilal Burungule sir. And our HM of New Mahim Municipal English Upper Primary School is Sara Benner Madam. Students, let's go ahead. So let's begin with the thought for the day. Thought is, don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. Means, student, when you are doing anything and you are tired, so don't stop over there. Stop. You are done your work, then you should stop it. Otherwise, you should do continuously. Okay, student. Today we are going to learn together EVS uh, 2, how we came. It means that it is a journey of human being till now. So before that, we will recall something previous knowledge, your understanding. Okay, students. So here two vehicles are here. Here first vehicle and second vehicle. So which vehicle is modern? Which vehicle
Second
has
one. Second one.
yes, yes. So this vehicle, it is very modern and you will find many new things in that. So from journey of vehicle from this vehicle to this vehicle, it means you will find progress, development, advancing things in this vehicle. Next, here two houses are there. This is old house, this is new house. So student, this is also a journey from old house to new house. Here in first house A and house B. Okay, student. Which house is modern? Which house is
B.
developed? B1, correct.
B.
B1.
Okay. More facility you will get in which
B
house?
house.
Very good. Very good, student. Okay, student. As you all know, here also a journey of human being from stage to another stage. So can you get
B.
yes, which human being came first?
B.
Very
B.
good. And which
So,
human came?
first Homo habilis.
Okay, okay, great.
Sir, can I tell to you?
Okay, why not? Tell me.
First came B1, second come E1, third come A1, and fourth come D, and last the Homo sapiens sapiens come C1.
Okay, very good. So why this?
Homo habilis, second will come Homo
Very
erectus.
good. So I want to ask why this person is at last. It wo,
Because
now it is developed. Why it is?
because he is not seeing like chimpanzee and he is not very
Yes. So
black
oh,
and
they
they
yes, there is development or not?
yes sir.
Yes, development. So you will
He
find
stand
development.
properly.
Yes, yes, he stand erect. Okay, so here, students, you will find a development here. You will find a progress here. You will find more appropriate feature at this stage. And at this stage, you will get very, very basic. human features, and position of standing, etc. So, student, there is a development, there is a progress, there is advancement. So that is called evolution. So, students, evolution you can see everywhere. You can see in pen also. You can see in shirt, trousers, spectacles, even though very small things, just like fan, buttons, you will find evolution there. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
oh, yes. So evolution in your shoes, evolution in your bottle. So everywhere there is a progress, there is a development. Okay. Here also evolution in tools. First, these tools came, then this one, and these are advanced tools. So here you will find more features of tools for various purposes. Now tell me, here are two cupboards, A and B. So this is also cupboard, this is also cupboard. Tell me, student, which cupboard is settled?
B1. B1.
Mm, yes.
B1.
And where there is a messy things and not,
A1.
yes. So B1 is settled. So which one is settled?
B1.
Very good. B1 is settled. Okay. Now this is table A, table B. Which table is settled?
B. B1.
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 Yes. So where you can get easily things in A or in B.
B. B.
Excellent. So proper management is there, proper utilization is there, proper placing is there. So student, this portion is settled portion. This part is settled part, and this is non-settled part. Okay. Here also, students, you can see this life, this life is, and this life is. Which one is settled life?
Say B.
B1,
B1.
yes. So this
B1.
life is settled, and this life is non-settled life. It means there is a no routine, there is proper management, there is nothing utilization of source, and there is no means routine over there. So this life is non-settled life, and this life is settled life. So student, which life you want? Non-settled life or settled life?
Settled life. Settled life.
Yes, of course, everyone, even I will also like settled life. Okay, student, thank you. So students, now we are in settled life, but how settled life started and how it began, today we are going to see beginning of settled life, how settled life was started. Let's start, student. First, here beginning of domestication of animal and agriculture. So student, now we are domesticating animal for various purpose, for our workload, for our wool, for milk, for manure, for many other things, for leather. We are domesticating animal, and we follow the agriculture practice. Our country is agriculture based country where maximum people do agriculture. So domestication of animal. Domestication of animal means using animals for our use, just like dog, goat, sheep, cattle, buffalo. We use these animals for milk, leather, manure, or any other farm work.
Sir,
Okay.
in previous time, dog are used for hunting.
Hunting, yes, for hunting and for to keep watch, or now we are using dog as our family member. So dog is just like our family member, and there is no need to keep watch. It is to be a companion, because for to keep watch there are CCTVs, but now dog is kept as our family member. Okay. So agriculture, capture of wildlife. Capturing means to catch the wild animal and train them. So student, you have seen that horse are trained, dogs are trained, similarly cows and buffaloes are trained. When they come from outside, they directly go to their place. Have you seen it, student?
What, sir?
When animal come from our farm, suppose a bull comes from our farm to our house, they directly go to their shed. Have you seen उनका जो particular place that they will go there
Yes,
in?
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
and when we give them food, they directly go to that place. So this is called, what do you call, student, that thing?
Training.
Training. So we captured the animal first and we gave training to them. So you can see dogs in parade, they salute, they bend down, they stand on two legs. Have you seen this, student?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Dogs and cat give shake hand. Have you seen?
yes, sir.
Yes. Why? Why it is like that? Because they
Training.
are trained.
Training.
Very good. So in this way, domestication of animal started. Okay. Now, student, here you can see animal husbandry. Animal husbandry means keeping other animals like dogs, cats, cattle, all the animals for our own use, for our own use, for our own benefit. We get maximum things from animals, cattle, hen, cock. Okay. So students, dogs were domesticated in Middle Stone Age. So dog were domesticated in Middle Stone Age. Okay. Now important thing, student, here, dog was the first animal to be domesticated. So
And
which
then goat and sheep.
yes, then goat and then sheep. So first
Dog.
animal was dog, second
Goat.
goat, third
Sheep.
sheep. Very good. So animal husbandry, ये practice, it is a practice. It is where other animals are taken for our own use. So we make other animal use for ourselves. That is called animal husbandry. So we domesticate cow for milk. We domesticate buffalo for milk. We domesticate hen for egg. We domesticate sheep for wool. And we domesticate uh, as well as we keep fishes also in our lake for our own use. Okay, student. So, agriculture 11,000 year ago in Israel and Iraq.
Iraq.
So, these are the two countries where agriculture was started,
Women
farming
are
was
doing the
started.
agriculture.
Yes, and women are credited to have started cultivation. So the credit goes to women. They have started cultivation. They have started agriculture. How many years ago, students?
11,000 years ago.
Correct. In which two countries?
Israel and Iraq.
Israel and Iraq. So what they used to do, see this picture here.
The background में कुछ वो आवाज आ रहा है.
Yes. There, I previously I told there may be a disturbance, but those who are having disturbance, they can mute themselves. So here was the stick. It is pointed here, and this is a stone, and it is pressed by the leg. You can observe these two women are pressing this stick and digging it, making a hole in the ground, and in that hole they sow the seed, and in this way agriculture started. Agriculture started 11,000 years ago in Israel and Iraq, and women have given credit to start cultivation, to start agriculture. So once again we salute to women. They have started, they have kept a milestone. So agriculture production increases day by day. Why? Because there was use of animal. So with the use of animal, agriculture production like these cereals, they agriculture production increased. More and more crops they have cultivated with the use of animal. So they use animal and production, agriculture production increased. So now agriculture production, all human beings were depending upon agriculture production. So they get these crops from agriculture. So people in village settled, established some rules and customs. So student, when you are having more crop, what you will do? Suppose you need 100 kg rice and you produce 1000 kg rice in agriculture. What you will do? You need only 100 kg rice, and in your agriculture you produce 1000 kg rice. What you will do?
We will remove the 100 kg rice.
Where? What you will do? 100 kg rice then? Sorry, 1000 kg rice. What you will do?
We
You
will
need
sell
only.
them.
Very good, excellent. Whatever you are having extra, you will sell other person. But selling, business, trading was not there. There was a barter system. Okay, students, very good. We will go ahead. Okay, so as you all know, rain or in agriculture, you require rain, again
Sun,
sunlight,
wind,
wind also,
water, rain.
rain, that is water, then soil also, right? So you need proper soil, proper wind, proper rain, proper sunlight. And student, you were getting fruits, you were getting berries, you were getting flowers from what? You were getting fruits from where?
Environment, trees.
Yes, of course, trees. So these all things, that is trees also. So human started worshipping, started praying to all these natural sources. So you can observe here They are doing what? Worshipping. They are doing worshipping. Worshipping means praying. Now, students, they are praying for rain. They are praying for sunlight and sun. The human being was praying soil, wind, and trees also, because they thought due to these, due to rain, due to sunlight, due to wind, due to soil, due to tree, their life became easy, their life became very comfortable. So they started worshipping, they started praying these natural resources. Understood, students? Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Suppose we pray God because we thought that we think that God gives us strength, God gives us belief. That's why we pray God. So earlier human being praise rain, sunlight, soil, wind, tree, because they were thinking that these things, that is rain, sunlight, soil, wind, tree, they give many things to human being. See, student. So here a special skill and various occupation. Here hunting, here gathering of fruits, here uh, they are roasting the food, here hunting. So all these need a skill. You need a proper technique. You need a proper skill. You need special tools for that. And like that, they were surviving with hunting. After hunting, they make use of fire. They use raw, means uncooked flesh, uncooked meat they were eating. And of course, these are the fruits and berries they were having. So, hence, women and men are engaged in getting food from agriculture. Now they are getting food from agriculture. Earlier, student, in previous slide, you can see they were getting food from hunting and from collecting the berries. Here you can say they were depending upon killing the animals, hunting the animals, and collecting the berries, collecting the fruit. But when agriculture came, now human beings were dependent on agriculture. They depend on cultivation. It became possible to store food grains for long period of time. So as there was more production, the farmers, the stone age man were storing the food grain. They stored the food grain. There was more food available than requirement. Just now I told student that you need 100 kg food and you are having 1000 kg food. So what you will do? You will sell it, right? So let's now you are having more food. Whatever your requirement is there, you are having more grain, you are having more rice, you are having more corn, you are having more wheat. Let's see what happened next. These are earthen pots. Students, today you are thinking that it is very, very normal. It is very, very, walking is very normal for you, but it is very, very difficult for a very young child of below 1 year. For them, walking is very difficult. But now you think that walking is very easy. Here also same thing. Students, these pots, these beads, these necklace, Now you see, it seems it is very easy, it is very normal, it is very simple. But but student, for those stone age man, these things were very difficult. They need very very skillful technique. So now they were making beads, necklace, earthen pot. So student, are you observing the progress? Are you observing the development?
Yes, sir.
Of course, yes, there is a gradual development. Earlier, non-settled life to settled life. Earlier, they were hunting, killing, collecting fruits. Now they are started cultivation. They were using leather as a cloth. So let's go ahead, student. So students, now you all know that you are having more food. So these are more food you are having here. And for that, they started, you see this picture, the here you can see the exchange of food is there. So here some man is giving fruit and
The
another
barter
man.
system.
Yes, of course, student. Excellent. So this is called barter system. It is a practice where they exchange goods with another good. So this is called barter system. So that is the name given to this system, barter system. Okay, students. We will move ahead. So barter system started exchange of food, exchange of articles, exchange of other things. Yes, student. So you can see this picture where here salt trading was there. So student, now you see that this shop of only cloth, shop of only fruit, shop of only oil, shop of only steel. Earlier there was shop of only salt. So you will get salt over there. Only salt you will get there. So in this way, barter system started because here you are having something, this person is having something. This person need this thing and this person need this thing. So they need what other thing here. Suppose I am having rice and you are having corn. So I will give my rice to you because you need rice, and with that exchange, I will take corn because I need corn. In this way, barter system started. Understood, student? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. And sir,
Very
when
good.
other
What?
person don't like that thing, so
So
he
he,
don't take.
yes, and he will go to another person where he wanted, and that person is having. So suppose
So
I
this problem, the barter system was ended and money was started. Money system.
yes, that it took very long time. It means thousands years ahead. It means again it will take 1,000 years. So it is not a 1 year process or 2 week process or few month process. Thousands years it took. It was very very gradual process. So barter system, it means it was there 100 years ago also. Are you getting me? Barter
Yes,
system.
sir.
Yes, 50 years ago it was there. In some village, 50 years ago, there was a barter system where carpenter will give stool, chair, to other person, and in return that carpenter receive, in return carpenter take rice and wheat. It was uh, till it means 50 years ago it was practice also. Understood, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So do you know barber?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he used to cut what?
Head.
Hairs. So every year, throughout year, he used to haircut all the people, and in return, that barber used to get many things: clothes, pot, rice, wheat, tool, chair, anything. It means so. It was a practice. It means it was not very previous thing. It was just 30 to 40 years ago. It was also practiced. So student, now barter system progress. There was a development in barter system and trade was started. Understood, student?
Yes,
Our
sir.
barter systems developed version. Barter system advancement uh, we gave a trading. So barter system progress and trading start. So trade means business, and business should have rule, so that community means people together, it is called community. So chief means main person of community who will handle the trade system. So that person will handle the trade system. Here student, here you can see this is chief of community. Community means group of people. Suppose village people, village is community, and this person is a chief, important person. What he will do? He will protect the people, he will monitor the trade business barter system, and he will build wall around the village settlement.
And
What
for
he will
her,
do? Yes.
and for chief job, the subject gave him the clothes, fruits,
Yes,
and
yes, of course. Now, just we pay tax. Just on those days, in those days, that the chief was getting another things, many other things. But the chief role was to protect the village, trade, to set up the trade rules, and build wall around the village. See here, student. This wall was wall was built around the village, stone wall.
stone boundary.
Yes, stone wall and stone boundary to protect villagers from the flood, from the wild animal, and other community also. Because other community attacked on another community. So this wall was built by the chief of the village to protect the villagers. So students, houses at the beginning of the Stone Age were made up of the walls. Population of village settlement grew because flood food was available in plenty. So if you are having food, there if you are having food, you will not die due to starvation. You will not die because of hunger. If you are having food, you will not die because of hunger, because of starvation. Suppose student, I am ill, I am sick, I am having some fever, and I am not getting something to eat. So what will happen? I
You
will
will
die,
die.
or yes, of course. I am having fever and I am not getting food to eat, because when you eat something, you get energy, and with that energy, illness, fever, cough will go away. But you, if you are not getting food, you will die. But as agriculture and cultivation develop, more and more rice, more and more crop, more and more food grains you are getting. So people used to live longer. If you get proper everything, you will live longer. You will not die early. So population increase. Population increase day by day, as um, food grain was easily available. So now they village settlement, they build houses. You can observe student the structure of house here: grass, bamboo, wood, mud, then small stones, all were used in the making of or building of houses. So these were the houses of Stone Age man. See, student, they beside those, they were using stone also. You can see these were the houses were stone. Students, do we use stone in building our house?
What, sir?
Do we use stones in building our houses?
Yes, sir.
Of course, yes. You can see the basement or the foundation of the building. Today also we use stone, but here everywhere completely they were using only and only stones. They were using only stone. You can see here in this picture the structure of houses. Okay. Beside this, what materials they were using?
Sun-dried bricks, cow dung, mud,
Cow
woven from sticks or bamboo.
mud, woven sticks, or bamboo. So, student, these things were also used to make houses. Understood? So, these were the things were used in the making of house. So, sun-dried bricks, then
Cow
cow
dung,
dung, then mud,
mud,
then woven.
woven from sticks or bamboo.
Yes. So you can see this is woven, means they were fixed in between one another. You can see here they were fixed in between one another. Just they were woven stick and bamboo. So have you seen any woven material from bamboo stick?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything in your house which are made up of bamboo?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Bamboo toothbrush.
Bamboo toothbrush. Very good. Again, see, many vegetable seller keep that vegetable in what?
Bamboo.
What you call in your language? What you call in your mother tongue?
Bamboo stokeri.
Yes, tokri or topli, you can call it. So that on now we are also using this bamboo, but in those stone age they were using this bamboo stick and cow dung mud for building their houses. Okay, student. Now see the structure of house. House were of how many? One room or two
Two
room.
rooms.
So in some house there were only one room, and in some houses there were
Two rooms.
two rooms. Okay. The house were built close to each other. Now also you can observe houses are very close to each other. Have you seen, student, in flats also? One flat is adjacent to another flat. In village also, some houses were very close to each other. Okay. Now, regional differences are seen in the style of constructing house depending upon local climate. Student, climate. Climate means you can guess it, weather, temperature. So, where there is high temperature, the houses were tall, and where there is very low temperature, houses were short. Because when temperature is more, that ceiling, that roof should be away from you. Otherwise, you will get maximum heat. Suppose roof is very near to you, that ceiling is very near to you. So, depending upon the climate, depending upon weather, suppose there is continuous raining, student, continuous raining is there. So your house will have flat roof or conical roof. Tell me, student, suppose there is continuous rain, which house you will like, house A or house B?
House A.
Very good. Why?
Because he have the
Because there is continuous raining, and so that rain
flow
should
to down.
slip. Yes, directly. Otherwise, it will accumulate here, and there will be seepage. There will be leakage in your house if your houses are flat. So, depending upon the climate, depending upon the weather, depending upon the temperature, house structure was different. Understood, student?
Yes, sir.
So you in Konkan, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Raigad, rainfall is very high. That's why their houses roof
I slide.
just like conical. Yes, just like slopy. If you are going somewhere there, you will find this type of houses. Okay, student. So, depending upon local climate, house structures were different. Have you seen, student, igloo? Have you seen igloo house in ice
No,
Have
sir.
you seen igloo house?
No, sir.
House, house in ice,
No, sir.
houses in ice. So this type of structure, roof structure, where there is opening, and these all are made up of ice. So in Antarctica region, you will find houses of ice, and that houses of ice were called igloo. उसे कहते थे igloo. So Antarctica region, polar region, there was only ice. So they built house from ice, and that was called igloo. So in this way, climate were different and different
Sir, so how they
houses.
can live in igloo? It was
Yes,
very cold.
but because they build the house like that, you will get warm, you will get hotness in that ice house. You can search on Google, you can search on YouTube also. You will get the structure of igloo and how they used to live in igloo. Okay, student. Village settlement, kinship and family. So student, now suppose family started with two-person, so their kids, unke kids. Now it became a big family. So this is called extended family. So father, son, grandson, great grandson, great grandson. So in this way, this is extended family. It means father ke father, father ke father, father ke father, father ke father, their son, their daughter. So this is called extended family. Now you can observe this picture. So student, you can zoom also from with your two finger to observe this extended family. So in family, of course, student, someone will die. So if someone dies, they used to bury the
And they keep her
person.
favorite things on that
Yes,
body.
yes. Now also it means
Like her things,
yes, what they were using, that
like
they
pots.
yes, pot and stick and some stone weapon they used to bury with that. Here you can observe this. The man is
Buried.
dead, and something were kept with him. Um, and they were used to bury in their house premises, in the area of house also, inside house also they used to bury. Understood? In the ground, in the porch also, inside house also they used to bury the dead person with their favorite things. Okay, so in this way, student, people or the family member used to help each other in farming, in collecting fruits, in collecting berries, in hunting. So in this way, there was a close relation. Suppose so, family is there. It means all are there. It means they were brother and sister, because uh, everywhere you will find a relation, and great grandson, great grandfather family. oh, they used to be there at the same place. So the extended family, it means these all were relative to each other, relatives to each other, and they used to help each other. Okay, student. Okay, student. Have you followed all the lesson?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
seen this? How human life settled, how it became, how earlier they used to travel from one place to another place, how they used to hunt and go from here to there, but agriculture came and they used to settle at one place, and the production of crop uh, became more and more, and they started trading and barter system. So student, let's recall something. Which was the first animal domesticated? Horse, dog, cat, or sheep?
Dog.
Which which animal was domesticated first?
Dog. Dog.
Very good student. Dog, correct. Second question. Making use of animal and birds for own use is called animal
Animal
husbandry,
husbandry.
domestic husbandry, factory husbandry. Tell
Animal
me, student.
husbandry. Animal husbandry.
Great, great, great. Animal husbandry. Okay. Who had started cultivation first? Men
Woman.
or women?
Woman.
Very good, student. So, women started cultivation first. Next, agriculture practice around options are 30,000 year ago, 12,000 ago, 11,000 ago, 1,000 year ago.
11,000 years ago.
Was around, very good student. 11,000 year ago agriculture was started. Okay, can you tell me the name of those countries where any agriculture was
Israel
started?
and Iraq. Israel and Iraq.
Yes, Israel and Iraq. Okay, student, who told me the answer? What is your name, beta?
Sir, my name is Aditya. Sir, can I tell the answer? Question number, please.
Village system was based on what?
Red.
Yes, student, tell me.
Red.
What is the answer?
Red.
Yes, actually it is agriculture. So, agriculture trade is based on agriculture. If suppose there is no agriculture, there will be no trade. So, village system was based on agriculture. Understood, student?
Yes, sir.
Ha, great. Exchange of food and article is called
Barter system.
barter system. So, can you tell me what was the picture? Have you seen that picture?
That one is giving the apple and lady was giving him pineapple.
Correct, correct. That is barter system. Okay, student. Now here are some homework you are having. I am giving some homework. Draw the house of Stone Age man. Write about the usefulness of any five domestic animal. So you can take any five animals which were domesticated and write down the uses of those animals.
Sir, can I
Then,
tell?
no, it is your homework. You will do it in your notebook. Which animal is used by modern police?
Dog.
In what way? Very good. So dog were used in modern uh, police for investigation. Very good, student. In this way, we did whole chapter. Thank you for student your concentrate concentration and good listening and your cooperation and your feedback and your spontaneous answers. Thank you, students. Thanks a lot. Bye bye and take care. Wear mask. Keep social distancing. Thank you.